Today, I am pleased to report that 6,587 Albertans have recovered from COVID-19, leaving 344 active cases in the province. Currently, 48 people are hospitalized, with 6 of these in ICUs. In the last 24 hours, out of 4,997 new tests, there were 19 new cases. Sadly, I must also report 2 new deaths. I wish to extend my condolences to the friends and families of these individuals, as well as to all Albertans who have lost loved ones during this time. With the fact that we saw much lower numbers after Stage 1 relaunch than could have been the case, that was very encouraging that we saw, even with many more businesses open, restaurants, retail, daycares, hairstylists, even with that increased activity, we were still able collectively to maintain a low rate and in fact have a decreased number of new infections. So with those really encouraging numbers, my team and I did take forward some considerations for perhaps moving the stage 2 of relaunch a little bit earlier, but again, there's still some final discussions taking place. And so a final announcement would be expected early next week on a final decision about that. While there's no final decisions, I have said on previous occasions that based on feedback we've received and some of the industry protective plans that we've received, we are looking at fitness, recreation, and sports as possible components of those potentially to be moved up. But again, final decisions would expect that those could be communicated by early next week. Our best tools of defense right now remain staying home when feeling sick, maintaining physical distance when we go out, and wearing a mask in crowded spaces, frequently washing our hands, and making sure that we support each other in taking these steps. These practices are part of our new normal and will remain in a part of our daily routines for the foreseeable future. Albertans have done and continue to do a tremendous job of taking these steps wherever possible. That hard work has brought us to this point where the total number of active cases continues to decline and the increase in new cases is manageable. We will continue to rely on our collective commitment to protect our family members, neighbours, and friends, to ensure we keep moving forward toward the next stage of relaunch.